guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crystal Lucretia. Right now we're cleaning off the face because I want to attempt to do a silver sparkly eyeshadow look that I've been seeing all over social media, and I thought I should try it. So let go. I don't know why I keep on going like this. It's a millennial thing. Millennial. Peace. Whenever I'm on camera, whenever I take pictures, I peace. I don't know, it's like an automatic thing that we have in our veins, I think. Once I'm done with prepping my face, it's eyebrows, eyebrows, eyebrows. I think it's one of the most important steps to really like shape my face. I love doing my eyebrows. I'm using a really thin eyebrow pencil. A pomade is also really good just to really bring out that definition from the eyebrows. And to really like make the arch of my eyebrows stand out, I use some concealer, which is quite light concealer, underneath my eyebrows, and really try and, you know, touch up those lines so that they're kind of perfect or near to perfect, because, you know, we can't be too perfect. So this bit kind of makes all the difference. Like I noticed a big difference in the way my makeup turns out when I do this step, you know, and I usually just take my time. Like my eyebrows take me a long time. So now I'm going to move on to take the shine out of my face. So I'm using a little bit of photo finish, and I really try to focus on the areas that I really get the most shine. So, you know, around my nose, on my forehead, you know, in my creases, because my cheeks are quite chubby sometimes. So yeah, that's where I get my, you know, creases and my lines, and a little bit under my eye. Also, I have some deep set eyes. Then I also use this product from Elf, which really helps the makeup stick on, or yeah, stick onto your face, apparently. Well, yeah. Then I go in with some matte concealer just to, you know, get rid of the dark circles underneath my eyes. I really want to get this removed. Like, I don't know why I have so like dark circles underneath my eyes, but it doesn't matter. We have concealer, so I can, you know, hide that using concealer. And I use my finger, just using the dabbing technique to blend that. Then I start to contour underneath my cheekbones just to structure my face a little bit more. Oh, here I was just adding a bit of concealer onto my nose and the bridge of my nose right here. Yeah, just using the dabbing technique so that that can simultaneously blend out into my face. Then I use this really small round brush to define my nose. So just at the tip of my nose, along the bridge of my nose, and up into the bottom of my eyebrows, just to get a more of a button nose, which I used to have like a more prominent button nose, sorry, when I was little, but I don't know, I guess I grew out of that. So yeah, here's me blending out my contour on my cheeks, going up into my forehead, coming back down, you know, just doing a little circular motion. Then I go in with, well, I blend out a little bit more, and then I go in with some setting powder from Huda Beauty. Yeah, so I just add it to my areas that I put my concealer in, you know, on my nose, underneath my eyes, and just really trying to get in the creases and crevices, because, you know, your girl's getting old, she's getting a little bit of wrinkles every here and there, you know, but it's all good, it's all good, it's all good, you know. Yeah, so there's me checking if it's okay. Then I start going in with some bronzer just to add a little bit more depth with my contour, so that the contour, you know, it's a little bit sharp, you know, stands out and stuff. Anyway, I take off the excess powder off of my face, and I start to go in with a neutral color for my eyelids, just to have a base. I was really winging it, you know, today. I was really winging it, so please do not judge me. And I need to get myself some eyeshadow brushes so that I can really, you know, focus on the areas that I want to, you know, add the product to. So there's me adding the silver now over it, and as you can see, I'm looking at it and I'm just like, girl, it's not sticking how I want it to stick. Then it started getting underneath my eye, all my concealer, basically underneath my eyes, and I was just like, oh my goodness. So I was trying to brush that away, but as you can see, it's already creasing. Like, I don't know, I'm gonna have to do this a little bit differently next time I attempt this look. But outcome was still cute. And yeah, there's me trying to get rid of the excess glitter that was on my eyelids in the crease. Yeah, but yeah, I'm starting to be look at me. I start to get happy with the results. Oh, my forehead's a little bit no. Did I edit this part of the video? Girl. Okay, then we move to oh my goodness, we move to blush, and this is the color Fiji. I really like this blush. I wasn't really a blush girl, but as it's become so popular with like darker complexions, I really tried it out, and you know, I'm really liking it. It's giving me a little bit baby I'm cold, you know, it's giving me a bit of my baby I'm cold outside. This brush has a little bit of foundation on it just to, you know, take away any harsh lines. Then I go with my setting spray for Morphe. Then I go in with some mascara on my natural lashes. I don't think I use any falsies in this video. Yeah, so literally I take my time with applying mascara, and I usually use two types of mascaras. I use a one that adds volume, and then I use a lengthening mascara. For the purpose of this video today, I didn't, but I just used a volume mascara. Yeah, there's me trying to define my eyelids and make sure any excess product is no longer there. Adding a little bit more blush just to top it up. Oh, this is my favorite part. I love adding some gold deposit from MAC onto my face. This is my favorite part of my like makeup routine after doing my eyebrows. Oh yeah, oh no, maybe this, oh yeah, this is the third thing I love to do. I love lining my lips with like some brown eyeshadow pencil or like a brown lip liner. I love lining my, like, I can do like this little pointy like shape to give it a little, it gives me a little brat style kind of look. I go in with my NYX Madeline. This one's finished, but I know I have another one somewhere, but I can't find it. Yeah, so I add that, you know, just for a ombre kind of look. And then after that, I go in with a little bit of clear lip gloss. I love this. Oh, I love how my lips look. Like this lip combo has me in a chokehold, and I don't know if I would ever stop doing this. But here's the finished results, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope it wasn't too boring listening to me. So look at me, I'm all happy. My makeup done. Hey girl. Woo! Bye. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.